guys. Barely a second day, dude. There's hella bats. Bro, what is this? Oh my god!
3, 2.
If you haven't seen the last Cancun vlog, you're definitely missing out. I highly advise watching the last vlog before this one to have a full synopsis of what's going on. Regardless, thank you for being here. Enjoy.
La patrona la designa, pero mira como vaina, girl. La patrona la designa, pero mira como vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases, ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu estilo.
We're getting ready for a pirate show. Some pirate show, I don't know. Call it Jolly Roger. I'm gonna take my big camera today because I don't think it has anything to do with water as far as us getting wet. Where are we at?
The Jolly Rancher.
No, not Jolly Rancher.
Rancher.
Jolly Roger, yep.
The Jolly Roger. It's pretty cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
El Jolly Roger era uno de los barcos piratas más temidos de
We're having lots of fun.
Second in command was a former Spanish corsair who used to go by the name of Salvador Avalles.
They really made him walk the plank.
Te condenas en el infierno because of Israel tonight. You will dinner in hell. Estaba cayendo en lo más profundo.
Super drunk.
Not super. I've only had like 6 or 7 drinks. I'm good. I'm Gucci, trust me. I'm Gucci. Gucci down to the south. That was a really good show. What'd you think? It's time to party now, honey.
Welcome to USA!
Alright, so right now we're on our way where?
Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza to go see one of the 7 wonders of the world.
It's gonna be different. Excited. The history of it.
Yeah, I love these tours. I love learning about history and actually experiencing it firsthand. The bus just dropped us off at this Mayan town. Check this out. Most of the buildings and most of the stuff is all handmade. Right now we're going to like a sinkhole. What is this, a chapel? This is a, I don't know if it's a Mayan chapel or just the chapel of the city. Very nice. I just found the sinkhole. Look at how sick this is. Look at that. They're saying it's really clean. They make you take a shower before you even go in there. That way you can keep it clean. Kind of wish I would have brought my swim trunks. This is so sick though. This whole town is sick. Like they had hammocks over there, which me and Christina might lay on later. So we're about to go in this cave so we can get a better view of the sinkhole. This is like to enter so you can go down into the sinkhole and swim in there. So now we're going over to the hammocks. You gotta go from the other side though. So I'll hold it from here. Okay, now let me wrap you on this side. There you go. You comfortable?
I am.
I can't film too much over here because it's like a sacred area, but I'm gonna try to. This is an observatory. where they watch the sky.
The new fire that takes place every 52 years. If he was a gentleman, you must sacrifice your blood.
Can you see in there or no? Oh yeah, it's like a tunnel. That's weird. There it is. One of 7 wonders of the world.
It's hot.
Look at this. There's some over there, some right there, some right there, over there.
Like
What
that.
movie did they film here?
Patolipko. Patolipko?
Apocalypto.
Bubangosh. Applesauce.
So behind me was one of the temples that they would sit at, and they would play this game where they had to get it in those tiny little holes up there. It's a lot bigger in person than it is on camera, but the crowds would sit all along these walls on top. This is so sick. And then whoever won, they would sacrifice that person because they wanted the gods to have the best of the best. So now we're in like some random Mexico City. This is where a lot of locals stay. Check out this church. Yeah, we're just stopping here for like 15 minutes maybe just to get some snacks because the road trip is spent all day. Done like 7 hours so far, and now we're like 4 hours away from the hotel. I just realized that I never showed you any of the food that we've been eating out here. So here's mine, bunch of pasta of course. I already started on it a little bit. Tina got some chicken parmesan noodles. Very Americanized here. The hotels include all the food, so we don't have to pay for anything. We've pretty much never paid for food out here. We've just been tipping and that's it. Provecho. It is now day 7 in Cancun. Yeah, look at this beautiful view. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta film this because the waves are kicking our ass right now. Come on, we gotta go in deeper. Oh my god! Get up. This is our last day in Cancun, and I just wanted to quickly talk about, first of all, how blessed we are to be able to take a vacation like this. Secondly, I wanted to talk about how I would definitely recommend Cancun, depending on what you're trying to achieve with your vacation. There's so much stuff that we wanted to do that we didn't get to do. For example, like camelback riding. Save up your money, go on vacation. I'm gonna keep working hard. We're gonna continue on with this journey of the American dream, I guess, and working towards our future goals. We're not meant to be slaves. We're human beings. We're meant to enjoy life, be happy, stay positive, and stay happy. My shorts say positive and happy.